How to delete search history on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete search history on TikTok. For this, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you get here, you want to tap on the option of Activity Center. Here, find the option of Search History and tap on that. Now, you want to go ahead and tap on the Select option. You can individually select your search history or tap on the Select All History option at the bottom. Once all the search history has been selected, tap on Delete All option. Here you want to tap on the delete option as well, and in this way you can delete your search history on TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.